Stop throwing your money away on cheap particle board furniture that falls apart after 6 months. Look at this table. Solid wood, sturdy, beautiful. And the best part? I built it myself for less than the price of a large pizza. If you think you need a garage full of expensive power tools or 20 years of experience to do this, you are wrong. Today I'm going to share the secret to building professional quality wood projects, even if you've never held a saw in your life. I used to be intimidated by woodworking. I'd watch those YouTube videos where guys with $10,000 table saws build complex cabinets. I felt defeated before I even started. So I kept buying expensive furniture from big box stores. You know the kind. Confusing instructions, missing screws, and wobbly legs. It felt like a waste. I wanted to build cool stuff, maybe a bench for the garden or a bookshelf, but every plan I found online was too complicated. I didn't understand the diagrams, and I was terrified of wasting expensive wood. That's when I discovered a collection of simple woodworking projects designed specifically for beginners like us. It wasn't just a random sketch, it was a step-by-step system. The magic of these plans is that they focus on standard, cheap lumber, like regular 2x4s you can buy at any hardware store. No fancy hardwoods required. The instructions were like Lego blocks. Cut this here, screw this there. It held my hand through the entire process. I realized the problem wasn't my skill level. The problem was that I was using bad plans before. My first weekend project was a simple outdoor chair. It took me about 4 hours. When I finished sanding it, I couldn't believe I made it. My wife asked where I bought it. Since then, I've filled my house with custom furniture. I've saved thousands of dollars. I even started making small wood crafts on weekends and selling them online for extra cash. Woodworking is actually easy and incredibly relaxing when you have the right guide that strips away the complexity. If you want to start your first project this weekend, maybe a planter box, a coffee table, or a simple shelf, you need these plans. I've linked the exact collection I use in the description below and in the first comment. Don't let fear stop you. Click the link, grab the plans, and build something you'll be proud of forever. See you there.